One of the biggest problems in terms of safety risk we have on our site is the collision between people and vehicles, notably forklifts and other vehicles. In the HSE division, we always try to improve and to look for new solutions to reduce risks. And the system here is installed to prevent this from happening again. It's based on geolocation, and an alarm is given between the people and forklift of vehicle in case of the situation where they come too close. We have good hopes that it will improve the situation in the future in our group.
On site, we deploy a mesh of geolocation anchors that allows us to reach a precision of 30 centimeters in 3 dimensions and in real time. Those anchors geolocate tags that are set up on forklifts and worn by operators on the field. On our platform, we can track the motion of those tags and set up rules. For example, danger zones around vehicles in orange here, and safe zones on pedestrian pathways in green. When a pedestrian enters the danger zone around a vehicle, an alarm is triggered in the cabin to alert the driver, prevent the dangers and avoid collisions.
To connect sites shall allow a lot of new opportunities for construction. Capturing flow of information during the project from equipment, tool, people, material shall allow the construction planners to measure the productivity all along the project and detect loss of time, bottlenecks in the sequence of activities.